A really quick way of putting totals and subtotals onto a table of numbers is the shortcut key Alt equals. Alt equals, pick up everything above and you can hit enter. But what if we had filtered the data and just had a few on there? That will give you necessarily the wrong answer, but again, if you use the shortcut key on filtered data, it automatically detects you want a subtotal 9, which will only sum what is showing. So there you go. I've pulled together this one-page cheat sheet of all the everyday essential Excel shortcuts. I'm giving this away today completely free. Just click on the link and I'll send you this straight away. Don't waste any more time in Excel. Get this free cheat sheet right now. Click the link.